Let's imagine that you're working on your LegendKeeper project and you figure out a design for your pages that you really like. In this example, I'm fleshing out the materia section of my project, and I've added a new type of stone. So now the task is to copy this design to keep creating other pages for other types of minerals. The most obvious, though not the best, way to do this is by copy pasting. I could go to Materia, create a new page. We'll call it New Stone. Go back to Adamantite, select all, and just copy paste that in. Notice the Properties panel on the right side is still missing things. Add a preview image and a tag. So I can add those. I'll go to Preview, Materia, add the image, and I had the tag called Mineral. Okay, so this is a copy that I can now start adding more information to. The better way to do this is by using LegendKeeper templates. Templates allow you to save an entire page, or even an entire section of your world, for later use. To create one, all we need to do is drag our page down into the section called Page Templates. You can find that folder at the bottom of the left sidebar in every LegendKeeper project. So we'll take the Adamantite page and we'll just drag it into Page Templates. There it is. Now we'll go back to Materia and create a new page. This time, instead of selecting the New tab, we'll click Template. We'll call it New Stone 2. And we'll use the template called Adamantite from the template dropdown. We'll click Create. Notice the page instantly fills out with the layout from before, and it includes the sidebar properties of the original template. To compare, we can look at New Stone number 1 and see that indeed we've created the exact same page using a template. But LegendKeeper templates don't just stop at one page. What if you have your information spread out over several tabs and subpages? I'll show you how this works. To start with, I've created a copy of our previous layout and called it Stones Template with subpages. So let's say I wanted to add a tab to break up this information. We're going to call this Locations. I now have a main tab and a Locations tab. So I'll take this location information out of this page and put it into the Locations tab. It kind of makes this page a little shorter. I'll also add a subpage. So I'll create a new page, which will be, just call it subpage. And this will be the page that our mining techniques live on. So maybe we can call it mining techniques. So I now have the main page, which is the Stones template. It has a tab called Locations and a subpage called Mining Techniques. I'm going to drag this whole thing down into Page Templates. And then we're going to do what we did last time. We'll go to Materia, we'll create a new page, and we'll create it from a template. We'll call this New Stone 3, of course. But this time, we'll select the new template we just made, which is the Stones template with subpages. And we'll make sure to click this box called Use Sub-Templates. This will bring along all of the child pages with the parent. We'll click Create. And boom, we now have New Stone 3. It's perfectly copied the layout and the properties of the parent page. It's brought along a tab called Locations, and sure enough, if we expand the sidebar, it contains a child page or a subpage called Mining Techniques, exactly as we laid out in our original template. As with every feature we put into LegendKeeper, templates are designed to help you build better worlds faster. And we don't plan on stopping here. In the future, we want to work on a system to allow members of the LegendKeeper community to create, publish, and share templates with other members. So I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I hope you learned something watching this video, and if you have any questions at all about LegendKeeper or about templates, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.